Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted the video. I promise I'm gonna have more videos coming up. Reason why I haven't posted in a while, because I had two large non-automotive projects that I was doing. I actually was doing an old house rebuild, which took me about 6 months, and I did record some of it. I probably will post it on this channel, but actually it's not exactly automotive, and I wanted to keep this channel a little bit more towards automotive side. I don't want to do like all kinds of stuff. Maybe I will, I don't know, but not now. So anyway, I haven't really updated the previous project, and long story short, the last video, not very last video, was more of time-lapse video, but video before that ended with me planning to go to a Tesla dealer and get a computer replaced or get, you know, help from them. So I did end up going to a Tesla, and they did replace the computer, which cost me, I would say, about $2,200 or $2,300. It was pretty good bit. I actually after that I had pretty much nothing else to do on the car. The car was ready to be driven, and I actually drove it for about a year, and I actually enjoyed it very much. I really do like that car, and all the technology, bells and whistles in the car. It's very comfortable car. It's very fun to drive. These Teslas, they're very much fun to drive. So I actually bought two of them at the same time from an auction, and another one has been sitting in my garage for 2 years, somewhere in that range, and I'm finally got time to work on it. So in this video and in the future videos, we're gonna rebuild another Model 3. But this one is going to be a little bit more interesting in a way that it's a dual motor Tesla. It's going to have a front wheel drive as well as the rear wheel drive. So pretty much the same car, but again, it's going to have a motor on the front as well. It should be a little bit more powerful, and there is no frame damage on this one. I measured it, and frame looks perfect. There's nothing needs to be done to a frame, so we're not gonna be doing any pulling or anything like that. Basically we're just gonna start assembling, because the car actually came from an auction. It was disassembled. The fenders were off, they were in the car, and like headlights, stuff like that was in the car. And unfortunately, when you buy a car that is disassembled from an auction, which I always try to stay away, a lot of times you won't have parts with the car. Like in this case, I'm lucky that there are headlights, because headlights, I believe they're expensive. Last time I checked, they were pretty expensive. But yeah, I got lucky, and headlights are in the car, fenders are in the car. One of the fenders is damaged, and it's damaged probably at the body shop or at the auction. It looked like they ran over that fender with the car or something, because in that area where the fender is, I believe it's the driver's side, there is no damage. There wasn't supposed to be any damage on the fender, and the fender is like crushed. But I am going to repair it anyway. So I really trying to stay away if the car is disassembled at the auction. I know it's disassembled at the body shop when they do an estimate, and potentially if you get a car like that, you won't have any parts with the car. I was lucky that I had some big parts, which headlights are and the fenders, but there were no bolts, there were no brackets, there was pretty much nothing. I had to buy pretty much all these little pieces from a dealer. But yeah, so let's just get to a build. In this video, I'm actually gonna take damaged frame extensions, and I'm gonna put new stuff on. So let's get to the video. From the DIYer point of view, it's an excellent design. It's pretty much like a Lego. You just take the frame extension, damaged frame extension piece off and put brand new one on, and it's like, you know, it's very what's the word, it's easy for the DIYer to do a front-end repair with this kind of design. I don't know if Tesla had DIYers in mind, probably not, but from my point of view as a DIYer, it's excellent, easy to repair. Just like in the previous one, I'm not gonna tie these down because I just don't know where they're supposed to be, and there's quite a bit room to play with, so we're just gonna put them on, but we won't do a final tie down to these frame extensions, as well as the pretty much rest of the stuff as far as inner structure on the front. forgot AC condenser. Well, unfortunately, coolant reservoir is damaged. I'm gonna have to take it off and see if I can repair it, and if not, then I'll just have to replace it. Well, it is what it is. I don't know if you can see, but this fitting cracked. It's doable. It's possible to fix it. I will probably replace it. I just don't want to have a potential problem down the road. Unless it's gonna be like unreasonably expensive, then I'll have to weld it. But it shouldn't be. Well guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I actually did order a bottle, and it was actually an interesting experience, but I will share it with you guys in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure your bell notification is on, and I'll see you in the next one.